Van'wana a va ambale swiambalo swa kereke va seketela murhangeri wa vona. Swi endla malembe Zondo a hehliwa hi mintirho yo homboloka. Kumbe vumbhoni byo chavisa emahlweni ka commission ya CRL Rights lembe leri nga hundza kusuka eka swirho swa kereke. Swihehlo swi katsa vuloyi, vumbabva na ku pfinya. Kambe Zondo a komba a ri hava ku chava.
I've been waiting for this for years. Even when they took me to CRL Commission to insult me, I asked them, let's go to the court. At least that's where I'll be able to answer for myself. Because things that they said, some I don't know them, but these are the people I know and the people I love and the people I raised, the people I took to school, the people I delivered from demons and other things, and the people that I even created jobs for.
Finally,
God has brought us to this day. And I'm saying it today, I'm going to say it as I've been saying it for so many days before. Justice will be served and God's name will be glorified. The evil that is within our country, in some of the churches like Zondo's church, will now be exposed.
Un'wana lava hehliwaka ku va a hlaseriwe hi Zondo u byele commission leswaku mfundhisi Zondo u n'wi pfinye a ha ri exikolweni xa primary. Zondo u ri swihehlo leswi swi vangiwa hi rivengo.
Business people are involved, politicians are involved, sangomas are involved, pastors are involved, government is involved, police are involved.
Nandzu u hundzeriwe eka siku ra Musumbhunuku vhiki leri taka ku va a sungula ku tengisiwa.